Hey y'all, this is your girl Andrea Nicole, and I am back with another video. Today I am showing you how I bleach and watercolor my wig from Westkiss. I always say wet, it's Westkiss. And I ordered a Bodywave 18-inch, was it 4x6x4 frontal, I believe. I'll have all the specs down in the description box, but as you can see, it does come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and this is the nice lace. That lace looks good. Okay, I've heard so many things about this hair company, and I thought, let's just give them a try. So now I'm spraying down all those flyaways with the got to be, and I'm brushing it back just so none of that gets in the way when I'm bleaching my knots. The good thing about this is that I am coloring my hair jet black, so if I do bleach any hair by accident, it will be covered up by the black. Yeah, so yeah, I'm sorry, I know I'm dragging, but so now to bleach the knots, I'm using BW powder. I'm only going to use 1 scoop, and I'm using 20 volume developer. I like to use 20 volume developer just because I like mine to sit on for about 15 or 20 minutes. So if I am like doing it for 20 minutes, I don't want to over bleach it. So I always just do 20 volume just to be on the safe side. And I'm mixing all that up. You just keep pouring until you get like a cake batter consistency. You don't want it runny or anything like that. You want it nice and like pasty, I guess. Like that, you see? Actually, no, not like that. Like that. There we go, like that. Y'all, I'm giving y'all Wizard Kelly vibes, okay? And then I'm just applying the bleach all over the knots, as y'all can see. But I'm giving y'all Wizard Kelly vibes, you know. You can't see my face in this video, you know. It's all a mystery. You don't know who I am, whose I be, you know. This is the first time I'm doing like a voiceover for the whole video, so I hope y'all enjoy my voice. I hope. But I'm just covering it, you know. I'm kind of patting it, but not patting it too hard to where it seeps in, but y'all will see that it ends up seeping in anyways. But that's another story for another day, and I'm just going to show y'all how I fixed it. So as you can see, I just said I'm leaving it for 20 minutes, all that good jazz. And then when 20 minutes is up, oh, forgot this part, I put some aluminum foil on it so it can process faster. Now the minutes are up. I'm checking it. The bleach knots are bleached. I'm just all over the place. And I'm using the Kiss Tintations jet black. I'm only using 1 bottle. I bought 2, but I really only need 1 because I don't use that much water. They always say like if you don't use a lot of water, you don't have to use so many. So, and it worked. It did the job. I'm just going to mix this in, make sure it's mixed very, very well. As y'all can see, And then I'm going to dip the hair in there, starting with the ends. And I'm going to work it all the way to the frontal. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the vibes. Dipping it up in there. And the good thing about this method too is since your knots are bleached, it really don't even matter. Like you'll see like towards the end of it, I just got frustrated and I just put the whole frontal in the water. And when I tell you, like, it did good because that front part is seeped through. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's definitely blonde on the roots. So I had to get that, like I had to. So I just put in the water and I just hoped for the best, and it came out the best. So yeah. And I'm just letting that sit for 5 minutes. Making sure all the hair is immersed in the water, the hot water. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I use hot water, not boiling hot, but definitely hot. So now the 5 minutes is up. I'm just showing y'all the conditioner I'm using. It's the silicone mix, but this one's a little bit different because it has argan oil in it. And y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. And that's my knots. That's how my knots looked. What? Okay. Now I'm just gonna lay these hairs down with some mousse. Yeah, and I'm gonna let it air dry so tomorrow I can pluck it and apply it and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all be on the watch out for a video on I don't know if I'm going to upload it tomorrow or Friday, but it will definitely be one of those days. And yeah, I'm just brushing it back, and y'all, this came out so good. Oh my gosh, it came out so good. Yes, honey, yes. Who doesn't love jet black hair? Like, what? We don't do brown. We don't do brown with the gray streaks, the gray hairs. People think you old and stuff. We don't do that here. We don't do that. Look at this frontal, y'all. Not frontal. It looks like a frontal, but no, it's a closure. It's a whole closure. As I already said, the specs will be down in the description box. And look at that. Look at that, y'all. Who? But all right, thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, y'all. All right.